Hey everyone, in this video, you will learn to change the default SMS app on a Samsung phone. Samsung devices allow you to choose which messaging application handles your text messages, giving you the freedom to use the app you prefer. Go to the settings menu on your Samsung device. You can quickly access it by pulling down the notification panel from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. After entering settings, scroll down and tap on apps to open the application settings. From the Apps menu, select Choose Default Apps. This section lets you manage the default applications used for different actions on your phone, including web browsing, phone calls, and SMS messages. Now, tap on the SMS app to view the available messaging apps installed on your Samsung device. A list of compatible apps will appear, showing the current default SMS application and other options you can choose from. To set a new default messaging app, simply tap on the app you want to use. For example, if you prefer Google Messages, select it from the list and confirm your choice. Your Samsung phone will immediately update the setting and start using the selected app for all SMS-related tasks. Changing your default SMS app is a quick and useful way to personalize your phone experience. Whether you want a cleaner interface, extra messaging features, or a different way to organize conversations, switching apps only takes a few moments. There you go. Changing the default SMS app on Samsung is quick and simple. You can now use your favorite messaging app whenever you text.